two scorers I've already mentioned on.
Likely to make at times because he does come so far.
With the German side having won the last 6 matches between... Well, Bayern's defeated Aston Villa in the last game, scored 7 goals in his last 3 games. Dinamo Zagreb on match day 1. That Barcelona have got such a poor record.
Le capitaine Raphinha face au capitaine Neuer.
To counter-attacks. And that far too easy. Really poor play from Bayern. The play. There's a bit of movement. I saw Raphinha coming field. I think he is just onside. Kimmich was the player that tried to make the interception. The central midfield player ended up at centre-back. Neuer almost does enough, but it's a very good... Once again, they've watched Barcelona play.
More than aware that he was in an offside position. Space inside the home defence, almost exploited.
So Serge Gnabry, Davis getting ahead of him.
And Harry Kane on that front line.
There is Muller. That'll be a Bayern corner. Deflection, almost took it into Kane. Flag stays down. Decent stop for Peña. That Guerrero for Bayern. Koundé's clearance. Now it's Muller, and there's Kane, and it's 1-1. Brilliant header from Harry Kane, and Bayern Munich are level.
Dan, it's a brilliant finish from Kane, but it's a magnificent move from Bayern Munich, sweeping from one end of the field. Left leg, knee and toe of Harry.
It's Kane again. Serge Gnabry. Offside flag up.
Yeah, the offside flag going up.
Gnabry again tonight. 25-year-old. In towards Kane. Welcome to viewers on TNT. Oliver Muller. Say couldn't pick it. Intercepted by Martinez, who wanted his Serge Gnabry, whose first touch is good. There's Kane! This time it counts! And you have to say that the Bayern Munich equaliser has been coming.
Yeah, too many times they've got in behind this high line that Barcelona are holding. It switched beautifully from Elise to Gnabry, and then Harry Kane pulling away to the far post, stays on side.
So Gavi and Frenkie de Jong. Buts à deux. Here's Casado winning the free kick. Up through the middle again, it's Fermin Lopez. Shoved off the... Haven't seen much of him so far. Early pass from him. It's opening up for Lewandowski.
Well, that's the first chance. Lewandowski set his sights on the top.
Say. On Sunday, Lewandowski. Oh, Neuer in trouble. And getting very, very lucky against Lamine Yamal. Still going. Michael Olise shot blocked. Lovely turn by Lopez, who's caught. And that'll be our first caution of the night. Doing a decent enough job.
Passing, keeping possession of the ball.
Easily Coman and Moore. Not the best kicking effort from him. Their first set-piece opportunity of the night. The delivery. Oh, look at this. Just for a moment there. It seemed that Bayern might have 3 of October. Hit the edge of the box, floating one. Guerrero is there. Who's in? And Lewandowski finishes it off.
Well, VAR are going to look at this because Kim felt he was pushed in the build-up here before the ball was actually towed to Lewandowski.
Bayern seem confident that there will be a review here. Company not happy. Barcelona celebrate for now. About that. To get a little bit fractious as well out there.
Yeah, Guerrero was
the goalkeeper. And Guerrero trying to... The flag stays down.
again.
Quite have the opportunities and possession so far to suggest that more trickery from Lamine Yamal. Is isolated. It's Raphinha! 3-1 Barcelona in the last seconds of the first half.
Dan, that is absolutely incredible. The cross-field diagonal ball out to Raphinha is one of the best passes you're going to see in the Champions League this season. 60 yards, switch of play, then Raphinha.
Could get even worse for them here because Lewandowski has it. And player to try and penetrate that in, but it found its way to Kane.
Very poor with his distribution tonight.
Foul on Kane. Free kick to Bayern. Bayern Munich briefly in trouble, and once again onto the left foot, bending one. Kane onto the loose ball, and now Polinia. Path of Serge Gnabry. Martinez with the clearance, but the offside flag is up. Big moment in the game. It's a Barcelona admiration for Barcelona as a club forward. It's Ulisse.
In this, trying to change the course of this game.
This could be the hat-trick for Raphinha! It is! The match ball goes to the Barcelona captain, who has surely just put this game out of the reach of Bayern Munich. Vincent Kompany's side done on the counter-attack. And not for the first time tonight, Barcelona have got their tactics spot on this evening.
And then if the cross-field pass...
So much territory. Muller to Gnabry, couldn't... Staying away from Coman, who brings him down.
Yeah, clever from Koundé. Coman trying to...
Ryan corner then. Goalkeeper struggling and...
Scoreline.
Alessandro Balde here for Barca. Here's for a penalty waved away. The offside flag has gone up in any... Musiala trying to get forward. Sane's pass. That infamous 8-2 middle. Trying to get back into it. Coman!
It just doesn't happen to Bayern Munich.
Musiala. Deflection on the shot. It'll be a Bayern Munich corner.
Yeah, Martin.
Kane also involved. Pena just about. Deflection on the... Now Musiala. Great change of direction there. Yamal, it's perfect once again. Yamal's shot deflects wide for the corner.
Oh,
Off. And here is Robert Lewandowski. They're queuing up here. Foul by Koundé. It worked brilliantly. That's a good ball in. Lewandowski couldn't quite finish it off. Oh. Ansu Fati, a player who's had terrible injury trouble in league phase. It's not something...